Get an OPPO phone and wonder how to transfer data from iPhone to OPPO lightheartedly. Fret not. Let's fix the issue by presenting 5 feasible techniques to transfer data from iPhone to OPPO. Way 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to OPPO via transfer for mobile. Wonder how to use USB cables to get the devices connected for a fast and secure transfer? Is there a tool that helps get lossless data on OPPO from iPhone? Well, iCloud transfer for mobile can make the thoughts come true. How to transfer data from iPhone to OPPO using iCloud transfer for mobile. Step 1. Connect iPhone and OPPO to a computer. Step 2. Check the positions of your devices. Step 3. Start to transfer data from iPhone to OPPO. Way 2. How to copy data from iPhone to OPPO with OPPO Clone Phone. Open Clone Phone on OPPO. Choose New Phone. Select iPhone as old phone. Sign into iCloud on iPhone. Enable two-factor authentication. Enter verification code. Select data to transfer. Follow on-screen instructions to transfer. Way 3. How to transfer files from iPhone to OPPO using iCloud. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud Contacts. Enable Contacts and Backup by selecting Backup Now. Sign into iCloud on iCloud.com with Apple ID and passcode. Access contacts on iCloud interface. Select desired contacts. Click Export to Computer in Settings. Sign in your Google account in Chrome. Go to the Contacts option and import the VCR document stored on iCloud. On your OPPO phone, go to its Settings account Google to sync contacts from Google to OPPO. Way 4. How to move data from iPhone to OPPO with Google Drive. Download and run Google Drive on both devices. Sign in with your Google account on iPhone and back up on OPPO. Log in with the same account. Access sync data from iPhone on OPPO. Way 5. How to transfer data from iPhone to OPPO via email. Open Contacts on iPhone. Select the contact you want to transfer. Scroll down and choose Share Contact, Mail. Send the contact to your email. Sign into the same account on OPPO. Download the contact to your phone.